Good evening, fellow dreamers. I am Ismael, and tonight I invite you to join me on a voyage of ambition where dreams take flight and every step forward is a testament to the power of aspiration. Life is a grand tapestry of dreams woven with threads of hopes, desires, and passions. Each of us carries within us a unique constellation of dreams waiting to be realized, waiting to be chased. These dreams, whether they whisper softly or call out loudly, are the compass that guides our journey, urging us to venture beyond the familiar and embrace the unknown. Consider the allure of a book tour where every city visited, every conversation had, and every story shared is a manifestation of a dream. It's not just about the destinations, but the journey itself, the exhilaration of meeting like-minded souls, the joy of sharing knowledge, and the fulfillment of connecting deeply with diverse audiences. But why is it essential to chase our dreams? Because dreams are the lifeblood of our existence. They infuse our days with purpose, ignite our spirits with passion, and fill our night with hope. Dreams remind us that we are limitless, that our potential is boundless, and that every challenge is but a stepping stone towards our destined greatness. Think of J.K. Rowling, who dreamt of a magical world, and against all odds brought it to life, touching millions of hearts. Or Elon Musk, who dreamed of a sustainable future and is now pioneering the path towards it, filled with obstacles and naysayers, are a testament to the indomitable spirit of dreamers. So how does one embark on this adventure of aspiration? It begins with belief. Believe in the power of your dreams, in their validity, and in their potential to reshape the world. Nurture them with dedication, fuel them with passion, and be relentless in your pursuit. Next, surround yourself with fellow dreamers, those who uplift, inspire, and challenge you. Remember, every dream, no matter how personal, is a collaborative endeavor. The synergy of collective dreaming amplifies its magic, turning the impossible into the achievable. Lastly, embrace the journey with an open heart. Celebrate the milestones, learn from the setbacks, and cherish the memories made along the way. For in the end, it's not just about reaching the destination, but about the person you become, the lives you touch, and the legacy you leave behind. In conclusion, dreams are the wings that allow our spirit to soar. As we chase them, we not only elevate ourselves, but embark on their own journeys of aspiration. So whether it's attending a book tour, writing a novel, or shooting for the stars, let's pledge to chase our dreams with fervor, passion, and unwavering belief. Thank you for sharing this moment of inspiration with me. As we step forward, let's remember that the world is but a canvas for our dreams. Let's paint it with our ambitions, our hopes, and our boundless energy. May your dreams light up your path and guide you to unparalleled heights. My name is Ismael Perez. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.